Imagine a world where everyday businesses earn big bucks. You might think of glamorous startups or tech giants. But guess what? Ordinary businesses often hold untapped potential for profit. Today, we explore 10 businesses that seem boring but can generate substantial returns. These businesses thrive because they fill essential needs and solve ongoing problems. Let's dive into our first business, commercial cleaning. Companies need regular cleaning services. Rather than one-off jobs, these businesses often operate on ongoing contracts. This creates a reliable revenue stream. Next, we have laundry services. Clean clothes are a necessity for everyone. Laundromats generate repeat customers, while commercial laundry serves hotels and restaurants. Now, on to pest control. Many people only think about it when faced with pests. This recurring service solidifies customer relationships. Waste management comes next. Every community generates waste. Effective operators in this essential sector can achieve strong profitability. Our fifth business is self-storage. People often need temporary space during moves or renovations. Creating a dependable system can lead to steady income. At number 6, plumbing and HVAC services step in. They address physical issues that technology cannot eliminate. Reliable technicians are always in demand. Following that is property maintenance. Regular upkeep prevents damage and ensures properties remain attractive. Number 8 features accounting and bookkeeping. Businesses rely on good financial management. Repeat clients here create consistent revenue. Number 9 focuses on commercial equipment repair. Keeping critical machines working means less downtime for businesses. Finally, logistics makes our list. Efficient transportation systems are imperative in every product's lifecycle. Niche delivery services can be quite profitable. So, what's the common thread? These businesses solve recurring problems. They generate repeat customers and can be organized for growth. Ready to explore these hidden gems? Check the comments below and share which business surprised you. For more insights and opportunities, subscribe to Finance Flow. In exploring these 10 unassuming businesses, we uncover the hidden potential lying beneath their simple facades. Each of these enterprises not only fulfills a crucial need but also showcases the art of leveraging consistent revenue streams, ultimately leading to their robust profitability. From the orderly operations of commercial cleaning to the steadfast reliability of plumbing services, they offer vital solutions in our everyday lives. As these sectors thrive in stability and reputation, it's evident that the mundane can yield magnificent returns. The secret lies in understanding the markets and dedicating oneself to serving them effectively. As we examine the constituents of these businesses, it becomes clear that their success hinges on more than just providing a service. It's the creation of lasting relationships with customers that fosters loyalty. Each transaction builds trust, ensuring that clients return for more, regardless of the seemingly dull nature of the service offered. It's this interplay of necessity and dependability that allows these companies to flourish, often quietly amassing wealth while others chase after the next flashy trend. In a world driven by novelty, it's the consistent service that truly stands the test of time. As we continue our journey through these unremarkable yet lucrative businesses, consider logistics, which quietly orchestrates the movement of goods across vast networks. It may not seem glamorous, but this sector ensures that products reach their destinations efficiently, fulfilling the demands of both businesses and consumers. With the rise of e-commerce, specialized delivery services have become indispensable, often offering competitive advantages that lead to increased profitability. In this landscape, the power of waiting for the right moment can pay off significantly, turning what seems like an ordinary operation into an essential player in today's economy. The undeniable truth is that these businesses, often overlooked, hold the keys to financial stability across various sectors. By focusing on solving everyday challenges, they create environments where customer loyalty flourishes. This stability extends beyond one-time interactions, fostering relationships that can weather economic fluctuations. As we reach the conclusion of our exploration, it becomes clear that boring can indeed be beautiful, with these enterprises serving not only to fill gaps but to build legacies. The success of these ventures illustrates the importance of recognizing that profitability does not always come dressed in a glamorous package. In the end, it's about recognizing the value in these overlooked avenues, where ingenuity meets necessity, creating a pathway to sustainable success. By tapping into the often ignored sectors, one can uncover remarkable opportunities for growth and wealth creation. The journey through these 10 ordinary yet profitable businesses reveals the beauty of consistent services that address essential needs. By valuing these niches, we can cultivate lasting success that not only benefits the entrepreneur but also enhances the community. Embracing the mundane can indeed lead to extraordinary outcomes.